In the last video, we have discussed the inert gas system dilution method and displacement method. Okay, today we are going to discuss further what is the objectives of purging. By purging, what we are going to get. This is basically the change of environment where inside the tank initial condition is a tank full of hydrocarbon gas which is flammable. But when we ingress inert gas, which is mainly the nitrogen gas, the inert gas consists of 95% around the nitrogen gas and 2 to 3% carbon dioxide and other gases there. So the environment becomes non-flammable. So here the primary inerting of cargo tanks after delivery of the vessel or dry docking. That means when the vessel is delivered, before doing any loading, we have to do the inerting of cargo tanks. Or if we want to vessel delivered from the dry dock. Secondly, the restoration of the satisfactory inert atmosphere if for any reason unsatisfactory net gas was present. The reduction of the content of hydrocarbon gas. Okay, that means for any reason we need to do inerting of the tank before loading, or for tank cleaning purpose we want to do a gas freeing. At that time inerting is required to remove the flammable atmosphere or the hydrocarbon gas. And if anytime I have inerted tanks but the condition of inert gas has reduced and oxygen content is um, increased, at that time to reduce the oxygen we have to do inerting, we have to supply the inert gas uh, to get a satisfactory condition oxygen level below 5% or something like this. And number three, the reduction of the content of hydrocarbon gases. Now the discussion is now precaution. In the dilation method, opening for gas release atmosphere should be far away as possible from the inlet in order to ensure the required gas circulation within a cargo tank. That means dilution method where uh, the gas release atmosphere means where the gas goes away or goes to the atmosphere, that position should be much at the end, far away from where the inlet of the gas to ensure required gas circulation within a cargo tank. That means so that within this time the gas is circulated, mixed up, and the hydrocarbon gas is removed. Other precaution, the oxygen content of the supplied IG must normally be kept less than 5%. If your oxygen level initially is less than 5%, then only you can bring down the oxygen level in the tank or maintain the oxygen level in the tank below 5%. So that is why starting from the IG plant, you have to check the oxygen level from the oxygen meter fixed over there, that oxygen level is below 5%. Another precaution is when the oxygen content of the cargo tanks is reduced below 11.5, the tank atmosphere will reach a non-flammable condition already, but it is necessary to further reduce O2 content to below 8% as measured at outlet position gas or air to increase the safety factor. Though at uh, less than 11.5%, it is already non-flammable condition, but still for the safety purpose, we reduce it further. Then another precaution is the velocity injection of inert gas as important for both displacement and dilution methods. Therefore, it is necessary to consider how many tanks are purged simultaneously. If you take more tanks for purging with the same flow, then flow will be reduced. Again, if you with the higher flow only one tank, if you do purging, then it will be very fast. Very fast means uh, say for the displacement method, you cannot give very high rate. Other than that, it will be mixed up with the hydrocarbon, and the purpose will not be served. Okay. So that's how in both cases you have to think about the inlet this rate, the velocity of injection you have to think about. Okay, take into account. So today till now, the next video we shall discuss with the inert gas plant, the line diagram, how this works, how the inert gas produced, from where it is coming, through where, what are um, the equipments are fitted until it goes to the tank. All right. Thank you very much for today.